For we know that progress depends not only on changing laws, but also changing hearts. Yes. And that real transformative change never begins in Washington. Who's duck back there?
It's a duck.
There's a duck quacking in there somewhere. Where do you guys get these ringtones, by the way? I'm just curious. Indeed, that's the story of the movement for fairness and equality. Not just for those who are gay, but for all those in our history who've been denied the rights and responsibilities of citizenship, who've been told that the full blessings and opportunities of this country were closed to them.